welcome to my channel. Hey, can I talk to them real quick?
No. No.
I can't. Monster trucks are big. Monster trucks are loud. Monster trucks go high in the sky and they make such a marvelous sound. Is that the only way you can play with your monster trucks, is if I sing the song? It is a beautiful, beautiful Saturday. Peep the side.
Hey.
It's beautiful.
Hey. Down the wasp right here.
Oh yeah, there's wasps out there. I'm gonna show them. Come on. Show them.
These wasps?
Yeah, there's lots of wasp nests. Look at them. Over there. You see that? All up there. There's like a lot. Come on. Go inside.
Yes, kids, these wasps.
Okay, we have to call someone to do it because mommy's not going to.
Kids, this bugs this.
You want to kill the bugs with that thing?
Yeah.
I don't know if that'll work. I think that'll just make them angry and then they're gonna attack me. Show y'all my OOTD for Saturday. Just some spandex shorts with a big t-shirt so that I don't look as pregnant as I am. Usually I look cuter, but I'm pregnant, y'all, and literally I don't buy maternity clothes when I'm pregnant. I don't know if that's just me, but I just feel like it's a waste. So I just wear big t-shirts and comfy shorts and sweats when it's cold and call it a day. I'm almost in my 3rd trimester, y'all, so I'm about to have 2 babies. Comment down below any advice y'all have from transitioning to 1 child to 2 because I'm a little nervous for it.
And they keep these bugs.
You kill these bugs? No, you need to go wipe your nose. Guys, it's a beautiful Saturday, so I thought that we could go to the park. You wanna go to the park?
We go to home.
He doesn't answer me. I think my kid has ADHD because he literally... What?
What is that?
It's a camera.
What? No. What is the fence?
It's a camera.
Fence.
Yes.
What is that?
It's a camera.
Wait, no. Camera. What? No. What is that?
Don't touch it. It's just the camera, Kyler.
No.
That's the lens. It's the lens.
Messy Yates?
Yeah. That's what we're doing. I'm super excited for it. Go to the park, get some ice cream maybe, have a great day with us, and I hope y'all are having just as equally as an amazing day.
The big one?
And we'll see y'all there.
The big one?
I'm cutting bamboo. My dad's going in the wilderness. Right, Kyler Ray? Get mommy.
No, come here, Kyler. Now, point it to mommy. There she is on the camera.
So pretty. No, I just stepped in ants. Oh, look, flowers.
What is it? Oh, bugs eat spiders.
Bugs eat spider. Oh wait, bugs eat flowers. Watch the ants.
No ants? No ants. They're not ants.
There's another one. Wait.
Bugs in here.
You like bugs.
I like caterpillars.
You like caterpillars?
Yeah.
Caterpillars and caterpillars only.
Yay, the big one.
That is a super big one.
Yeah, big.
There it is, see it?
Oh, that's
Look at the dragonfly. Look at the dragonfly.
Oh my gosh. Wow, it's beautiful.
I've been lucky one time. There was a bunch of them.
Where's the camera?
Flies.
Oh, dragonflies are vicious. Don't get them.
Are they?
Oh, yeah.
Woo! You like that? You like that truck?
Yeah, that's a truck. What do you like that truck?
Orangey likes it. Let me see Orangey in it. Bring it to me. Let me see. Hold on, stay right there. Orangey?
Yeah. I said, Orangey truck has these.
Yeah, he is. Whoa! Go ahead, do it. Whoa! lot.
You guys have the passwords, right?
Leo, kitty. Hi, Leo. Things are called earwigs, but I just call them annoying bugs that don't die. Ooh, look at that! That's super cool, Kyler. Wow, that's cool. Right?
Yeah.
He's so cute.
He tickles, huh? When he gets on your arm, it tickles.
Put it in that hand. What's that in that hand?
You want to get him in the other hand?
Yeah.
Give him a little bit of time. Watch. There. Breaker.
Oh, man, he's terrible. Find your mommy and dada.
Find your mama and dada.
Here. Come on, dada.
Come on,
Okay.
Dada. Look at Mama. Wow, look at all those bubbles. Lift it up. Woo! That's super cool. Look at Mommy. Ah! No! You think she...
What's good? What's good?
Woo!
Yeah, Mama's car. Left car.
Get set. Go! Oh. Go! Get him! Get him! Okay, you gonna get me? Ah! Don't get me! No! Oh no! Don't get me! No! Don't get me! No, don't get me! No, no, no! Oh, don't scare the kitty cat. Oh, nice. Beautiful day. He's just playing with bubbles over there. So cute. He's got all his toys out here. He keeps trying to wash things with the bubbles. We're gonna go to the park, but now we're going to this thing at 5 with my dad and Deshawn. Movie in the park kind of thing, and I'm super excited about it. So I'm gonna take you all along with me. It's gonna be so exciting. Until then, I hope y'all are having a great day. Hi, Leo. We're here. This turned from a video for my channel to our channel. Y'all, I don't mean to hate or nothing, but these backup dancers are killing me right now.
It's like you lost another one.
They're still going. They're making Deshawn very angry.
It's still going. It's still going.
Can y'all tell?
I wonder where it's gonna go.
Everywhere.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
And down, 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 down.
Y'all are the same color.
What's up, everybody? Emily is currently getting shaved ice because she's fiending and she can't stop fiending. And now I'm looking for my child because he ran away and I can't find him. Kidding, he didn't run away. He's with his grandpa.
Look at this beautiful, beautiful.
And then hers is like just a regular one, you know. I'm pretty sure it's still good.
And she's about to get shaved ice. Babe, what if I was one of those guests and I went up there to shave shake it off.
Oh, hell no.
What would you do?
You better not shake it off. Shake your ass off that stage if you, what?
I just got bit in the vagina.
Really?
Yeah, look.
That's not the
Close enough.
Kyler! Kyler, look! You ride the train? Oh. Go in there. They go in there and they spin around. Yeah. And there. Yeah. You want to go on that? Yeah, Mama and Papa are in line for it.
Wait, come here. My dad over.
Makes me feel this
He's coming back. He's coming back. Did you get that? Hi.
Hey, clip it.
We're on a ride. We're so excited.
And we're each doing it with our babies.
Yes. Oh my god, this is scary. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. That's amazing.
I know,
Give her on me. You gonna fall. You nasty. I mean, y'all, look at this. I don't know if I can do that. I already have trouble holding my throw up whenever I'm pranking Emily. You know, because it's like sickening and scary. But I don't know if I can do this right now. Had a little bit too much to drink. Too much. I'm tapped out. I ain't getting in, but Kyle's getting in with Pop. And we're gonna see how this goes.
He's having so much fun.
I know, look at him.
Keep recording. Alright, now they're off. Now you're gonna get a few.
Is he good? Is he safe?
Y'all want kids, whatever, and y'all think it's so cute, you know, like what we just did for him, waiting an hour for a line, and then we end up getting this. Whiny, spoiled. Oh, and
He's
then you
mad.
have Papa spoiling him.
Boy, you spoiled. Just know that. You spoiled, boy.
Look at that.
He lucky he got grandparents, that's all I gotta say.
Look at this beautiful photo. Oh my goodness. Don't screenshot it. Please don't screenshot it.